Kids, let's have a bit of a review about place value because this is very important to make the lesson today easier. Large numbers are arranged in groups of 3 called periods. These are the ones period where we can find the place value, ones, tens, and hundreds. This is the thousands period where we can see the place value, thousands, 10,000s, and 100,000s. And we have also the millions period wherein we can find here the place value, millions, 10 millions, and 100 millions. See this example. We can use comma or space to separate the numbers into groups of 3. So we will group them by 3 digits from right to left. How many periods are there in this number? Yes, we have 2 periods, the ones period and the thousands period. This one has 2 periods and this has 3 periods. The ones period, thousands period, and millions period. So that's it. We will proceed now to our lesson, which is ordering numbers or arranging numbers up to 1 million. Numbers can be arranged in 2 ways. We have the greatest to least or descending, and least to largest or greatest, or we call this ascending. Let's arrange these numbers from least to greatest. Kids, when ordering numbers from least to greatest or greatest to least, it is important to count how many periods are there in each number. Again, for this lesson, we will arrange numbers up to 1 million. And 1 million has 3 periods. If the group of numbers has the same number of periods, we will then compare the numbers in the last period. See this example. Let's arrange this or order this from least to greatest or in ascending order. Count first how many periods are there in each number. Okay, so all the numbers except 1 million have 2 periods. Since we will arrange this from least to greatest, of course, 1 million will be in the last order. So we will just put it here. Next step is to compare the remaining numbers with their last periods, which is the thousands period. Again, we will arrange this in ascending order. So the least number is 41. So this number is the first in the order. Next is 89. So this number will be the next in order. Then we have 98. This will be the next in the order. And then after 98, we have 500. So 500,000 will be in the next order. Next is 681. So this number comes after. It is placed after 500,000. And the last number for this group with thousands period is 689,200. Of course, 1 million is in the last order. So kids, this is arranged from least to greatest. From this to this. How about descending order from greatest to least? Same steps. Count first how many periods are there in each number. So let's check this group of numbers. As you can see, they all have 2 periods. So let's proceed comparing their last periods, which is thousands period. We have 972, 56, 54, and 884. Again, we're going to arrange this from greatest to least. So which number has the greatest period? Yes, we have 972. So this number is in the first, or is the first in the order. Next is 884. So this number is next in the order. Next we have 56. So this number 56,293 is the next number in the order. And the last one in the order is 54, or 54,274. So this number is now arranged from greatest to least, from this to this. But how about if the numbers are like this? They all have 2 periods, but some numbers in the thousands period are the same. With this, since they have the same number, or they are equal in the thousands period, that's the time we will compare them in the ones period. So for example, let's do this in ascending order from least to greatest. Again, they all have 2 periods. We will compare then the thousands period. The least is 812, and as you can see, there are 2 of them that have the same number in the thousands period. Because of this, we will then compare their ones period. We have 931 and 993. Since we are ordering these numbers from least to greatest, the first number in the order is this. It has 931 in the ones period. Then the next number in the order is this number. So we have 2 remaining numbers. They also have the same number in the thousands period. So we will then proceed to ones period. We have 931 and 933. Which number is the least? Yes, 931. So this number is placed after 812,993. And then the last, of course, in the order is this number. So this number is arranged, or these numbers are arranged now from greatest to least, from this to this. Kids, you can easily arrange numbers or order numbers from least to greatest or greatest to least by counting the number of periods on each number and then compare them in their last periods.